Всем привет! Welcome to my wonderful kitchen and labdien. Today I want to show you how to make these delicious meringue cookies, and they are with raspberry. Raspberry has been requested so much. I love raspberries, and I wanted to combine raspberry flavor with meringue because they're my favorite cookies as well. And super easy recipe, very delicious. I hope you enjoy it. And it's something that you can make way in advance. Put it on your cake as a decoration, munch them on its own, or just use for any other decorations that you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell. This way you will get updated every single time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. In a clean bowl, add your egg whites. Make sure your bowl is nice and clean and doesn't have any fat, otherwise the meringue will not puff up and whip. And then start slowly whipping it just with nothing, on low speed, and then increase the speed as you go until you start to form nice soft peaks just like that. And then we're going to add sugar, 1 teaspoon at a time, and then just keep whisking your meringue until it starts to sort of become more glossy, more fluffy, and just keep adding sugar a little bit at a time until your full sugar is completed. So this process will take 5 to 7 minutes depending on how much meringue you have and how powerful is your whisk and your stand mixer. Once it's all whisked, you can see that it becomes nice and white and glossy, and you can rub the meringue between your fingers to see if there's any sugar left. If there isn't, then it's ready. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on a picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. And then we're going to add our puree into our meringue and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth, just like this. Place your meringue into a piping bag and then fill it up until it's full, and it should look just like that. I've left some swirls. And then you want to pipe these little blobs on top of your parchment paper and baking tray. So just go around and sort of hold it down, press, and then pull away. We're going to bake these for about 1 hour at 120 Celsius degrees or 250 Fahrenheit. Once they're done, take them off, leave them to cool down, and it's time to make our cream. In a bowl, add your mascarpone with your double or heavy cream, and then whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. And then you want to add your puree inside and mix until it's combined completely and has this beautiful color. You want to put a little bit of your cream inside each meringue cookie, and then top it up with fresh strawberry and the second half of your meringue. And then place them in the fridge to set, but they should be done a few hours before serving. And they are so good, guys and girls. I can't even explain how amazing these flavors work together.